Hey, welcome back. In this video, you're going to take what you've learned about data visualizations and create a dashboard. Dashboards are important in data analysis because they enable people to visualize data in dynamic and interactive ways. This also enhances what you can do with your data presentations. In my experience, data visualizations are most useful when they're presented in a dashboard-style format to stakeholders. Dashboards put all the key information in the same place, making it easier to understand what's really important. Many dashboards also constantly update to reflect new data and can be interactive. No matter what style of dashboard you choose, they can help you present your data to stakeholders in an impactful way. Before you begin, you'll need to open the Tableau Public Desktop app. The online Tableau Public app isn't able to open the dashboard starter template you are about to download. We provided a reading on how to download the Tableau Public app, but don't worry if you aren't able to access the app on your device. You can still follow along with the video to understand how dashboards work. Okay, first let's download the dashboard starter template and the dataset. As we go, you can put this video on one side of the screen and follow along in another window. You might notice your screen is slightly different from what you see here. That's okay. Tableau sometimes updates this interface, but the general steps of this activity will stay the same. First, we're going to launch the Tableau Public Desktop app and log in. Then, click File and Open to find the starter template workbook you downloaded. It should allow you to access and manipulate the visualizations found in Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. However, the Tableau workbook does not contain the actual dataset. So next, we'll load that dataset. Click the Data Source tab in the bottom left corner of the window. This opens the Data Sources folder Tableau Public has created on your machine by default. Going forward, you should save any datasets you're working with to the Data Sources folder. Keeping your data files in one place is a best practice that will keep you organized. Navigate to the location on your computer where you downloaded the World Bank CO2 dataset and open it. Now that you've opened the CO2 dataset, click on Sheet 1. This visualization shows the average CO2 per capita for each country. Then click Sheet 2. This visualization is a line chart of the CO2 production of each global region over time. Now let's use these visualizations to create a dashboard. Select Add Dashboard and add some visualizations. Drag the sheets onto the dashboard in a layout that you like. In this case, we'll add the map visualization from Sheet 1 on top of the line graph from Sheet 2. Start by finding Sheet 1 in the Sheets section on the left side of the screen. Click and drag Sheet 1 into the area that says Drop Sheets Here. Then, click and drag Sheet 2 onto the visualization. Notice that the visualization adjusts to show the layout depending on where you drag the sheet. Place Sheet 2 so that it takes up the bottom half. All right, it's time to clean the dashboard. It currently contains 3 legends, but only 2 of them are needed. The topmost legend shows grayscale values that represent the CO2 per capita by size. This viz isn't as useful as the other legends explaining these visualizations, because the relationship between small and large emissions can be interpreted by the relative sizes of the circles. However, the color representing the number of emissions per capita is not interpretable without the legend, so we need to keep that. To simplify the visualization, our best choice is to delete the topmost legend. Select it and click the X to remove it from the dashboard. We'll set the remaining legends to float. Click on a legend, then click the arrow pointing downwards for more options. From there, we'll select Floating. Drag the legend onto the top right corner of the map visualization. Then repeat these steps to float the remaining legend onto the top right corner of the bottom graph. Great! You've created a basic dashboard. Tableau contains tons of other functionality to build dashboards that update in real time and interactive visualizations. Keep practicing and feel free to watch this video again anytime. See you soon.